Hey everyone, so I have a 2021 Sienna XLE all-wheel drive, and in today's video we are just going to be going over the location of the spare tire and the jack. So if your Sienna came with a spare tire, it's going to be right here under this panel, and to access the spare tire you just put your hand up in this pocket and then pull down and out, and then that will expose the spare tire. To get to the jack, that is going to be this out of the way. That's actually going to be under this seat here. So you'll just lift that seat and move that, and then the jack is actually located in here. If you can see, there's a little pocket here for your fingers. You just put your fingers in there and then pull up and out, and that should, and then the jack is right here. It is held down by this little rubber strap. So you just take that out. And then for the jack tools, those are actually located in the battery compartment. So there's a store here. Take that out. And then you have the tools for the jack right there. And that's pretty much it. So that is where the spare tire is located in the 2021 and Generation 4. So this is also the same for 2022, 2023, 2024, and 5, and possibly 2026. Thanks for watching, everyone.